Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where your iPhone's power button may be not working that well, or maybe it isn't working that well, if I should say. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Again, these things never happen for just one reason. But the first thing you want to do, and the first thing I always double check, is to make sure that the phone wasn't frozen, it wasn't glitched up, or anything like that. So if you click on, if you have a home button iPhone or an iPhone with, the notch, tapping on the display or clicking on the home button, if you're able to turn on that iPhone without that power button and you're able to maneuver through and everything like that, and the power button is obviously not working, then you can continue on. But if the whole phone isn't working at all, like if you hold down the power button, it's not working. If you plug it into a charger, it's not working, or it's just glitched up and it's not moving around, even when you click on the display and everything, then there may be a bigger issue, and it may not be the power button. It may be something like, the motherboard. It could be any other part of the phone. I'd probably recommend getting it checked into Apple. If it really is the power button, the first thing I always do is I always just kind of click in the power button kind of quickly as possible and see what's going on with it. Now, this iPhone is fully functional, but sometimes I've had some iPhones back in the day with a power button that actually had a little bit of buildup along the sides. So there was a lot of like crust and a lot of just like dust and stuff, stuck into the phone. So sometimes I would blow into the side of the phone or the power button while simultaneously clicking on the power button like this and trying to see if I can kind of free up that little like power button, little, pressing thing in order for it to fully go through. So that's what I would recommend you guys to look into. Just blowing on the side of the power button and maybe even getting a can of compressed air, blowing it to the sides of the power button and simultaneously clicking on the power button like this and seeing if that fixes it. Now, like I said, a majority of the time this may actually end up working, but there can be some issues where this may not work either. And in that specific case, what I would do is I would pretty much, try to contact Apple and let them know the situation and have them take a look at it. Most of the time, if it's a power button issue and it seems like it's 100% the power button, your only other choice is to actually take apart the phone and fix the power button. If you're comfortable doing that, go for it. If not, I would recommend contacting Apple and going from there. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.